In this video today, I'm going to answer most of your frequently asked questions because after I made this video about leveling up on Poppo, I see a lot of people keep asking me some questions which need a deeper explanation. So that is what this video is all about. And in case you are new, you are wondering what we are talking about, Poppo is a live streaming platform that rewards its users with amazing incentive and benefit. I don't want to go into more explanation. In the description of this video, I'm going to drop link to sign up and over 50 videos that I've done about the app. So the first question I have right here is, but if one buys coins and level up, you don't still make profit due to the 30% that Poppo will take? Yes, but the thing is that one thing you should know with leveling up, it comes with a lot other benefits, which is number one, you will do extra party tax. Number two, you'll be able to open your panel and still be doing your live stream tax at the same time. Number three, most especially if you are an agent, is going to give you more time to connect with your community, people under your agency. Number four, if you level up, your chances of winning when you play game and when you gamble is more. Okay, so those are the things you should look also into. But if you say you are leveling up just so that you can do a higher tax, it doesn't really pay off. All right, so the second question I have here is from Happiness. Okay, the first question is from Genevieve. The second question here is from Happiness, and she asks, if the money is removed from your leveling up, will it still join your point for withdrawal, or Poppo will take it? So the moment you do the level up, you do the coin exchange, it's not as if the money will be taken away. The 70% will be added to your point, of which you can withdraw mostly that very day. In fact, that moment you can withdraw, except maybe if the coins is not really verified and they are kind of feeling like, where did this coin really come from? So they can hold it maybe after 48 hours before you be able to withdraw, but you always withdraw your money, so they don't hold on to it. Okay, the moment you level up is the point that you receive that count for you. They are not holding on to that. Okay, so Ruth here is also asking, will one be at the level forever until the person level up again, like continuing getting 3k points per hour until another level up? So I want to expatiate more on this because leveling up and wealth level is different, but it works hand in hand. Wealth level is the level of exchange you have done. There are some people that they can get up to level 20, but they have never leveled up. Because they are doing exchange, maybe they'll just do 50 today and then 100 after 7 days. You understand? They are just doing exchange. They are just growing their wealth level, but they don't level up, because for you to level up, you must do to a particular setting at a time. Okay, but if you are just doing exchange after a while, that means your wealth level is just increasing, but you don't level up. And the difference is this: when you level up, you earn a higher tax, but when you just do exchange, your wealth level is just showing that, okay, this person has been doing a lot of exchange. That's just what the wealth level is all about. So your wealth level is permanent. It doesn't change, it doesn't drop. And that is why on the Poppo, if you go on Poppo and click on your level, as you can see right here, when you click on your level, you will see, and you can also go through it to know the amount of exchange you can do to move you from one level to another, to another, to another. So your wealth level does not determine your leveling up. Somebody can join Poppo today and do exchange and level up, while the person that is there for a very long time have been doing exchange has not leveled up. If you want to understand deeper, this video will give you more, or I'll link it up. If you just click on this link, you will watch the video. All right, the next question is nice one, man, please can I get the video on how to withdraw on Binance? So I will drop it to you in the comment section. Okay, this question is coming from Abraham. It's a very long one. It's like, ma, if I buy coins worth 17,500 naira, which is 207,500 coins, and I exchange, I will get 145,250 points back. Let's say I'm leveling up to 1, which is 3,000 per hour for 2 hours. At the end of the 7 days, which the upgrade will last, if I carry out my solo tasks, like solo life tasks, I will get additional 42,000 points, giving me a total of 187,250 points. And if I withdraw, it will be around $17 or so, and which is about 13,000 naira, which is not up to the money I bought the coins in the first place. Is this how it works, or you are giving extra tasks alongside the solo life when you upgrade? Yes, okay, there's the only extra tax you do is the second crown seed tax, okay? But just as I've explained earlier, the leveling up come with a lot of other benefits, okay? So that's why, like me now, anytime I level up, I prepare extra coins for gambling. I will check. I've done videos on gambling. I've done videos on games, so that you can also be winning things you should look into. So it's the other benefit for me. But if you say you are just leveling up for the higher tax, no. But you should always know that you are getting the 70% back though. And most especially for guys, you know, you need to level up so that you can be able to become an agent and all that. So the next question is, my dear, if you don't mind, may I get your ID on Poppo? Yes, okay, this is my ID. You can go follow me, okay? Yes, I have an agency on the Poppo app. And although some people expect that I should be there 24 hours, so I don't know either they have ever thought if I am there 24 hours, I would ever make video like this and then even edit and upload. So thank you so much. We are almost at 26,000 subscribers. I want to appreciate you more. So the more I have questions about the app, the more I'll clarify with a video like this. If this interests you, please give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. And I just discovered another gold mine. The next video is going to be awesome, most especially for those that are interested in cryptocurrency. So I'm going to teach you a lot more. Like, I just turned my $200 into $500+ within a week of learning all that. And this is something you can actually do without any, even if you don't have any experience or anything. Like, I will take you by the hands and I will show you everything I did. And if you are interested, you let me know in the comment section, so that once that video is up, in case you did not see, I will still come over here in the comment section of this video and reply to you with the link to the video I'm going to be making, so that as we make money from all those apps, we can withdraw it in USDT, and then we can reinvest it, and then in cryptocurrency, and we can grow it. Because I learned from a spiritual father about Joshua Selman. I learned not to just eat my first generational income. Like, I reinvest and reinvest, so that I will eat from the third or the fourth profit, which is very, very good. Ever since I started practicing that, my life have not remained the same. So thank you so much. Let me not turn this to motivational video. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.